Hi again. So let's take some time right now and talk about what lies ahead for you and why it's so important for you. You may be familiar with some of the ideas and experiences we're about to jump into, or maybe you're about to embark on something that's totally new to you. I want to again congratulate you because you are taking a big, giant step toward completely resetting your body on a course towards significantly better health. You may also be feeling a touch of trepidation at this moment, so please trust me on this. What you're about to do for yourself is an enormous gift to yourself. This program is like a little boot camp for the rest of your life. You get an enormous education, experience, inner body healing, and the benefit of being able to take all that you've learned and make a viable, doable, personalized game plan that will help you optimize your health for the rest of your life. And all of this, just a total of 9 weeks. This program is basic education, experience, and healing that every single body should have. I feel this way because I've been privileged to watch many of my patients change right before my eyes. This program is based in truth. It's based in the truth of what is known about our bodies on a very deep level. It's completely based in scientific research. There's nothing we're teaching you or asking of you that doesn't have a reason. This program is a very rich, well-rounded, cornerstone type approach to building a very solid foundation for your health for the rest of your life. Your medical provider and I have partnered to present this program to you. I've created the basics of this reset, and your provider has taken it and put the final touches on it so that it serves you best. Your medical provider has tailored your program so that it's optimized for you individually. The work that we will be doing together is based on the principles of functional medicine. Functional medicine is its own specialty of medicine. However, unlike most other specialties, the intention of this specialty is to gather absolutely all of the many different parts and systems in our bodies and to look at it all together. Interestingly, this means that functional medicine looks at the whole patient, and it also means that functional medicine looks at every tiny piece of a person too, down to the tiniest of molecules and other invisible forces that make up our whole. Functional medicine looks from the outside and also in the deepest levels of what's going on inside. It's kind of like a holographic way of looking at the body if you think about it. The functional medicine philosophy is that everything in your body is interconnected and everything affects everything else. For those of you who are familiar with the principles of osteopathic medicine, this philosophy might sound familiar to you. Functional medicine actually simply has continued to do the work of the early roots of modern conventional Western medicine. Since the beginning of modern medicine, there's been research. There's still basic research going on all of the time into what's at the root of everything that ages us, that ails us, and that eventually kills us. And there's also continuing research into how we can support our bodies in turning some of the disease processes around and actually helping our bodies in healing themselves. Functional medicine experts use this basic research in coordination with conventional Western medicine's ongoing research and experience to continue to develop and use practical, patient-centered, evidence-based, root cause approaches to total body health. The U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention has remarked that most chronic illness is significantly related to lifestyle. Expanded, the definition of lifestyle includes what we eat, what we come in contact with in our environment, how we live our lives, our stress levels, accumulation of illnesses, injuries, life events, self-care measures, attitudes and beliefs, and the many choices that we make on a daily basis. Functional medicine looks at all of this in a deep and comprehensive way. It marries modern conventional medical practice with the continued research in the basic sciences including biochemistry and cell biology, organic chemistry, genetics, physiology, anatomy, psychology, and spirituality from a perspective of the body's ability to heal itself. The result is that functional medicine is able to look at a body's health from a root cause perspective. This is so important. If we can get to the bottom of how a person's body has gotten off course, we can help that body to find its health again. I was very fortunate that my medical training included the philosophy of osteopathic medicine, which, in addition to the belief that everything in the body is interconnected, also teaches that the human body has the innate ability to heal itself if it's given the right tools. Your program will take the basic expertise of conventional Western medicine. It's going to marry it with the brilliant philosophies of osteopathy, and then it's going to dive in through the deep and comprehensive filter of functional medicine. In my opinion, approaching your health in this way, it's just smart. It's comprehensive. It's deep. And it allows every individual to approach their health from a holistic, integrated, intelligent, thoughtful, and empowering perspective. Every individual has the power to take control of many aspects of their health if they're given the right tools, the right education, and the right guidance. They're then able to dig down deep to assist their bodies in finding the health and encouraging the deepest levels of their bodies to, as much as possible, heal themselves. Every human on this planet deserves to know the truth about what causes dysfunction in their body and how they can optimize their health to be able to live most fully and vibrantly. The wheels of industry and marketing, they often take people to places in which they're often unknowingly causing damage to their bodies. Every person deserves an education and training to be awakened and empowered to have a choice about everything that affects their health. The purpose of this program is to provide each participant with an education, experiential training, and a deep body reset, and empowerment to be able to have as much control over the present and the future of their health as possible. Some of the ways functional medicine approaches evaluation and treatment differ a little bit from how it's done from a conventional Western medicine perspective. I take time during this course to point out the areas where the differences are most pronounced. This program acknowledges a great respect for the conventional Western medicine perspective and also will point out the areas in which the opinion may differ. That way you know if there's a discrepancy, and then you're empowered to do your own research and have some input into your healthcare decisions. It's our intent in this program to help you learn the functional medicine approach to your health. It's my hope and my wish that you find this perspective on health and medicine to be exhilarating and to be very useful to you. Well, that's it for now. I'll see you next time.